This is a tutorial on how to make bar graph. The bar graph I am going to demonstrate is the bar graph that is found on page 58 and 59 of your lab manual. We begin by entering the data into an Excel document just like this. As you can see, the data mirrors the data that you find on page 58 of your manual. So now that the data is in, we are going to highlight our data and we're going to go to Insert, and we want to insert a bar graph. Now in Excel we have two options. We have a column and a bar graph, and they're basically identical. It just depends on which way you'd like your bars to go. To match the one in the manual, we're going to use the column function. And we are just going to select the standard 2D column, but any of these designs will work. Now we have our graph. Now we don't need a key, so we're going to go ahead and select it and then press delete to remove it. Now we're missing a couple items. First, we need to fix our title. So we're going to select where it says total. We are going to type in our title. Now to make it fit on the graph, it'll automatically resize, or you can select the graph to make it bigger and the text should resize along with it. Now we're missing two other important things, and those are our axes labels. To make our axes labels, we're going to go to Layout, Axis Titles. Let's do our primary horizontal axis first. Title below axis. And now let's go ahead and name this. And this is our species. Now let's do the same thing to add our vertical axis title. And we're going to do the rotated title just so it matches the one in the manual. The last thing to make our graph match the one in the manual is that we need to add the count on each one. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Data Labels, and we're going to select the one that we like the best. So here's how you can look at all of the ones you'd like. The ones in the manual is the outside end, and now we have our information. If you'd like to make it bigger or smaller, you're able to do that so that you can extend the window to make it fit how you'd like, and you are all set. Remember, the key to any good graph is making sure that it is clear and understandable within a few seconds of looking at the graph.